Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you some more Hobby Lobby clearance finds. I was able to go back to another Hobby Lobby and find some more goodies, so I thought I would go ahead and share with you guys. I do want to say that some of the Hobby Lobbies in my area have not started the clearance craze yet. So it could be like next week. So if your store hasn't clearanced out the stamps and the papers and the dies yet, just be patient because it will be clearanced out very soon. So I just wanted to say that. All right, so I'm going to share with you some stamps that I picked up, and I did find some more dies. So let's get started. I picked up this stamp, and I think she is absolutely adorable. This stamp I think was originally $11.99, and I picked her up for $3. So great price there, super cute. I did pick up this little bunny, and he was $1.75, and he looks like this on the back, and I thought that would be cute for Easter. I picked up this die right here, and I apologize, you can't really see it, but you can see it was $1. And it reads Merry Christmas. I just like the font on that. For $1, I thought that was a good price. I did pick up this thank you, and it was $2.50, and again, I really like the font, and I may have this stamp already, but I'm not sure. I'm going to check, but went ahead and picked that up. And then I picked up this Happy Father's Day stamp as well, and it was $1, and again, a really cute font. See if I can peel it off for you guys so you can see. There it is. And then the last one I picked up was this one, and Gloria had shared this one this morning. I thought, oh, that's so pretty. And it was $1.62. I'm trying to take it off so you guys can see it, but it says be in the middle, and then it says gracious, thankful, creative, happy, cheerful, positive. And I completely read that backwards. But anyway, I just really like that stamp, so I picked that one up, and it was $1.62. All right, moving along, I did pick up this die right here. It was $3.59, and it says Dreamer, and it has a wind catcher or a dream catcher and the arrow. I do have a dream catcher die, but I do like the fact that this one it has an outer layer, so you can create a base and then layer it. And it looks like obviously cut and emboss. So anyway, I didn't have this one, and I really like that word, dreamer. I thought that was cute, so picked that up for $3.59. I did find this one. It says Hola, and it was $1.75. I was able to find this die right here. It is Lori Whitlock, and it creates this really cute frame. And this was another one that I had been wanting, and thought for $5 I definitely want to pick this one up. And this is the back. It's a good size die, and there's 10 dies in this set right here. And then I found this little cute set. It says Holy Guacamole, let's give him something to taco bout. And then it has the taco die, and that was $4.25, and I just thought how super cute. If you guys have been following me, you all know I love tacos, and I especially love my guacamole. And so I just thought this was too cute, and I know that I have food themed paper and eventually want to do some type of food themed project, so I went ahead and picked that up, and it was $4.25. I thought it was less than that, but nope. So pick that up, and then I did find this die right here, and it is a banner die, and it was $3.25, and it's actually a really nice size. Look how big it is. It looks like at least 3 inches, and I thought this one down here was really pretty. So, I mean, this one's pretty too with the flower, but this one has a heart with like a little like crown or something, but super cute. It's from Crafty Chica. And then I was able to find the unicorn. I did not have this Spellbinders die, and I really, originally when it first came out, I did want it, but I just never picked it up. So picked it up, and it was $3.75. It comes with the unicorn and the clouds, so I was happy about that. And then I did pick up a Biggs slash texture fades die, and it was $6.25. I do have poinsettias in my stash, but I did not have this particular one. and I thought this would be a good one to have in my stash, especially because you can emboss the flowers and make them really pretty. So this was an awesome find for me, and it was a great price, originally 25 bucks, so happy about that one right there. All right, moving along, I did find these planner embellishments, and they were only 43 cents, and I just thought those are really cute. I can hang them off some traveler's notebooks or charms or whatever, and I just thought those were pretty. I did pick up this Heidi Swap. It's for the light box, and I do have the light box, and it just is like the backing for the paper that you can slide in, and it was $1.43, and so I just went ahead and picked that up because I thought it was pretty. And then I did get a few of these little die cuts by Paper Studio. So I picked up 2 packs of the unicorns because they were only $1. And again, I want to make some charms out of these. And I'm going to be doing like a unicorn themed traveler's notebook. So I thought that would be perfect for that. And I just like the way that it has the glitter on it. It's very pretty. I picked up the stars. And again, those were $1 as well. And then I picked up these pineapples, and I thought those were really pretty, and they're shiny and shimmery for $1. And then I also got the cameras, and there's an assortment of colors, black, gray, and then the white, and I just love that glitter on them. They're so pretty, so happy to find those. And then I picked up this tag set. I just thought this was really adorable, and it's already made, but it's great inspiration, and I can definitely try to make something like this on my own with my Stitch Happy. And I like the way they layered those banners, so I just thought that was adorable. So pick that up, and it was only $1, and you get actually 2 tags. So really, really cute. And then I picked up these die cuts as well, these acrylic pieces. They are $1, and they're like globes with tiny hearts. And again, just really, really pretty embellishments that I could not pass up. All right, what else did I pick up from Hobby Lobby? I did pick up this cute little set, and it was $2. And I just thought, how stinking cute. And I do have the unicorn one, which I had probably purchased with a coupon, but didn't have this one. So I was glad to find this one because this one is just too cute with the little sunglasses on the fruit. Adorable. And then I was able to pick up these clear bags, and they were $1 each. And again, I was watching Gloria's haul this morning and saw that she'd found these, so I was happy to find these, and they were 4 by 5. And they do have other sizes, and the other sizes are not on sale, in case you are wondering. But I'm glad that I found those. And I did get the 8.5 by 11, and I used a 40% off coupon because I wanted to package up some stuff in those. And then the last thing that I have to share with you is this, and it's an envelope liner stencil kit, and it was $1.25, and it just allows you to trace on your paper so you can line your envelopes, and I didn't have anything like this, and for $1.25 I said, why not? Let's pick that up, because that's kind of fun to line your envelopes for your cards. So it has A7, A2, and then looks like there's a smaller one. I don't know what size that is. Maybe 3 by 3. I'm not sure. But so that is what I hauled from Hobby Lobby. So hopefully you guys will get lucky over the weekend and find some great deals. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.